Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Cowboy Don, host of Cowboy Don Cooks. Hey, today we're going to be doing brats. It's a favorite sausage link throughout the world, especially here in North Texas. So on the NuWave Oven, we'll be doing the brats from frozen in 16 minutes. So stand by. We'll be right back. I'll show you how we get this going. Thanks. All right. So we're going to be cooking brats on the NuWave Oven today. And let me show you. It's real easy. You just put them on the 4-inch rack and space them out so that they're pretty even. And these brats are frozen solid. See, that's what I talk about. We'll be able to cook these from frozen in the NuWave Oven in 16 minutes. The great thing about them is they come out juicy, completely done, and delicious. So let's go ahead and get this dome and power head put on. Let me show you. Cook time 8. Start. Was that hard? No mess, no fuss. The NuWave Oven, cooking brats up here in a rainy North Texas day. Alright, bring you back in 8 minutes, show you what we got. Alright, first 8 minutes is through. Let's remove the dome. Always remember when you're removing the dome, be careful. Hot steam will be coming out. Let's take a look at what we got so far. Look at that. So we'll go ahead and we're going to flip these over. And we're going to go for another 8 minutes. Now we should have some hot, tasty, juicy bratwurst. The NuWave allows it to cook in such a fashion that the casings do not split, so you don't lose all the great juices and stuff that are in there, in the brats. So here we go. Power dome back on. Cook time. Sorry, pause that. Cook time 8 minutes. Start. Alright, we'll be back in 8 minutes. Alright, so I've got my brat, some sauteed onions on a very fresh roll that I got today. So let's have a review tasting and see what we have. Alright, we're ready for a review sample. We have the brat here with the sauteed onions on the fresh roll. Remember, in the NuWave Oven, these brats from frozen, you cook for 8 minutes on the high temperature in the NuWave Oven. Flip, cook for another 8 minutes in the NuWave Oven. Where else are you going to cook it, right? And you have fresh brats. Hey, let's go ahead and do a review tasting. See what we have. Oh yeah. This brat, cooked in the NuWave Oven, completely done. So tasty, juicy, The casing is crisp. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this cooking here with Cowboy Don. The brats on the NuWave. It's a delicious way to cook them from frozen. Alright, please subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up on this video, and we'll see you next time. Cowboy Don Cooks. Thanks. Bye.